kindergarten. For math this week, we are going to be practicing something that you already know how to do, but we're going to practice it just to make sure that you can do it really well, and that is addition. We're going to be practicing taking our two small numbers and putting them together to make a big number, kindergarten. Yes, that is what we are doing this week. So we are going to practice 3 different ways that we can solve our addition problems. So let me get an addition problem up here because I'm going to show you another way we can write them too. Kindergarten, let's read my addition sentence that I have right here. It says 3 plus 4 equals. Oh my goodness, it's been so long since we've done addition. We know that this is our plus sign, and Miss Dollar always says it is like a bow tie because it ties 2 small numbers together. And we know that this is our equal sign, and we always say that an equal sign is like a road because it leads us to the answer. 3 plus 4 equals. I'm going to show you today a new way that we can write this problem. Kindergarten, have you ever seen a math problem, maybe addition, maybe subtraction, written up and down like this? Well, kindergarten, it's the same thing. They just took our sentence, our addition sentence over here, and they turned it this way. So now our 3's on top. We have our plus sign over to the side. We have our 4 on the bottom. And instead of 2 lines for our equal sign, we just have 1 line, just 1 line to lead us to our answer, kindergarten. So it says 3 plus 4 equals. Both of these math problems are the same. They're both the same addition sentence. They're both the same addition problem. 3 plus 4 equals. 3 plus 4 equals. It's as if I were to take, oh, good, Jesus, you're sitting up all nicely. If I take this grass and it's up and down, it's still a plant of grass, right? It's still this little basket full of this fake grass. What if I turn it this way? What is it now? It's still a basket full of fake grass. What if I go this way? Still a basket full of fake grass. No matter how I turn it, kindergarten, it's still the same thing. Just like with our addition sentences over here. 3 plus 4 equals. It's still the same over here. 3 plus 4 equals. They just took the numbers and they turned them. That's it. So kindergarten, what we're going to do today, we're going to practice using objects to help us solve our problem. We've done this before, so if you don't have any objects with you, go find some. You could use rocks, marbles, you could use pennies, nickels, dimes. You could even take Play-Doh and make a whole bunch of little tiny Play-Doh balls and use those. So kindergarten, go find yourself a whole bunch of the same object, bring them back, and let's solve some addition problems together. So my addition sentence says today, 3 plus 4 equals. Well, all I have to do is grab my objects. Here's 3 Play-Dohs, 1, 2, 3, and here are 4 Play-Dohs, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 4. I'm going to put them together, and I'm just going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7, kindergarten. Okay, we know that when we have our problems going this way, we just write our answer right here. 7. Where do you think we need to write the 7 for our up and down or vertical math problem? Where are we going to write the 7? We just write it underneath this line. That's it. We just write it down below. 7. So kindergarten, oh, stay right there, Bucket. So kindergarten, we can read it just the same. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Good job, kindergarten. Let's do another math problem. Make sure that you still have some objects together, and then we'll keep going. You're doing a great job. Your next math problem, your next addition sentence today, kindergarten, says 6 plus 3 equals. Can you point to each part on your screen and read the addition sentence with me? Here we go. 6 plus 3 equals. Okay, do you have all of your objects in front of you? Okay, so looking at our addition sentence, first we need to pull out 6. Whatever objects you are using, pull out 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you have your 6? Make sure that you always put them in a nice straight line. That way when we touch and count, they're not all jumbled up and we don't get so confused. Okay, so we have 6. Let's see what we need next. 6 plus 3. Now we need to pull out 3 of something. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I have 3 of something. I have 6 back here and 3 up here. But you know what? To make sure that you guys can see them, I'm going to put them all in a nice straight line. There we go, kindergarten. I think that's a little bit better while we're doing this up on a screen. Okay, let's go ahead and let's count them up to see what 6 plus 3 equals. Remember, when we do addition, we're taking 2 small numbers, 6 plus 3, and we're putting them together to make a big number. Let's see what that big number is. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, kindergarten. Do you remember where we're going to write the number 9? Ooh, that one was stuck. We're going to write it at the very bottom. 9. Kindergarten, can you please point to each part of our addition sentence and read the whole thing with me? Here we go. 6 plus 3 equals 9. We had 6, we had 3. We're putting them together to make 9. Good job, kindergarten. Let's do another one. Kindergarten, let's read our next addition sentence. Here we go. 5 plus 2 equals. All right, do you have your objects in front of you? Let's start off by counting out 5. That's our first number, so that's what we'll count out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see what's next. 5 plus 2. Now we just need to count out 2. 1, 2. All right, kindergarten, and we know that now we just count them all up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, kindergarten. And we put that at the bottom. 7. Would you please read this addition sentence with me? Here we go. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Good job, kindergarten. We have just one more math problem to do, and then it'll be time for you to go and do your worksheet. Let's read your addition sentence together, and then we'll use our objects to help us solve it. Here we go. 8 plus 0 equals. 8 plus 0 equals. We're going to take 8, we're going to take 0, we're going to put them together to make a big number, kindergarten. All right, here we go. First number, 8. Let's count out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are my 8. Let's see how many we need next. 0. 0. We need 0. Kindergarten, what do we do when there's 0? There's something special about the number 0. What? Oh, kindergarten, 0 means that we don't need anything else. 0 means nothing. Zip, 0, nada, nothing at all. So 8 plus 0. So I pulled out 8 things. I don't need any more. I don't need anything else. I just needed those 8. Now let's just count them up to see how many we have. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, kindergarten. So our answer must be 8. Remember, when you make that 8, kindergarten, I do not want snowmen. That means don't do a circle and a circle. I want you to practice doing your S and then just connect your bottom to your top. That's all you have to do. Let's read this last addition sentence, and then you can go off and you can do your worksheet. Here we go. 8 plus 0 equals 8. Good job, kindergarten. I owe you a warm fuzzy. Stay right there. I've got it now, kindergarten. All right, go do your worksheet, and I'll see you guys later.